Right then, our last bit on our effects for our cannons. Now, this is okay at the moment, but we need something a little bit better. We want to go, we've got a cannon, we've got a fire effect, but there's something missing, and that is the actual sound of the cannon itself. So inside music here, we've got our sounds. We've got sound effects. We don't want music for this bit. We can come back to music, but what we want is actually sound effects. So these are the sounds here. Inside this, we've got a list of sounds that we can use, and we want something that's going to suit our cannon. We don't want a beding beding here. I mean, we don't want anything high pitched. What we want is a deep thump, and we want it until done. So let's go and get. So we don't want footsteps, we don't want a pew pew, and we don't want a silence, and we don't want power down. Now, if we roll around, we can see that there is a sound called thump, and this is kind of what we want. We want it to be that thumpy sound. Now, you may not be able to hear my computer sounds on this recording, but I'm hoping that I can. My volume is up. I'm going to hope that you can play it, that you can hear it. If not, you're going to have to try it yourself. But as I play now, there's a definite thump sound that is occurring in my headphones. I'd like you to go and explore this as well. Right, good luck.